Hey guys, this is the Savior, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install Slimkat version 3, that is Android KitKat 4.4.4 on your Xperia U. So first of all, you need to have Flash tools on your PC. If you don't already have it, go to the links in the description and download it. Then open the version that is supported on your device, 64-bit or 32-bit. Then click on the Flash icon and select Fast Boot Mode. Now in the fast boot mode we have to select a kernel to flash. So to get the kernel we need to go to our custom ROM. So go to the folder where you have placed your custom ROM and just open it up with any zip manager, that is 7Z or even Windows 1 will do. So extract the boot.img file to any folder you wish. Now this is our kernel. So to flash that we need to have our phone in fast boot mode. And to do that, what you do is you take your phone and press the volume up key while you plug in your USB cable. When you do that, you'll get the left blue LED glowing. And now your phone is in fast boot mode. So select the kernel to flash and now choose the boot.img file that you have just extracted from your custom ROM. So let's navigate to the folder and select the custom ROM, or rather the boot.img file. Yes, here it is. So it'll be very quick, just 1 or 2 seconds, and it will be finished. It'll give you the total time, so that means it has flashed. And you might also get a message like finished flashing or something like that. So when it's done, you can unplug your USB cable and give it a few seconds so that you can make sure everything is alright, then power it on. So now we have to power it on in the recovery mode. To do that, when you see the Slimkat logo, start pressing the volume up key repeatedly and keep pressing it until you see the Team Wind Recovery project. And here it is, Team Wind Recovery project. So first we go to wipe and just do a format. This will factory reset the phone and wipe all your data. So now go back and go to the install option, and there you have to navigate to the custom ROM that you have downloaded on your phone. So let's do it and just install the custom ROM by simply swiping. Okay, it might take a little long, so I'll skip the video to the part where the installation is done, and I'll see you in a while. So here the installation is done. Now you can reboot your system and let it boot up. This is the first time the phone is booting up, so it might take a little bit longer than the usual boots, or might be rather much more longer than the usual boots. It can take up to 3 minutes, 4, 5 minutes, even 5 minutes, yeah, but not really more than that. If it takes too long, then you might be stuck in a boot loop. In that situation, what you have to do is you have to do the whole procedure again and make sure you have done everything in the right way. And if you have done everything correctly, then the phone will hopefully boot up in the into the system. Otherwise, you always have the option to click here and it'll skip the boot animation, it'll rather skip the video to the part where the boot animation is finished up. So if you wish, you can see the whole boot animation to get the idea of how long it can be. Otherwise, you can click here and skip. and now the boot animation is complete. So you'll be presented with the home screen. So what you do is you just power off the device again, because we have to go to the recovery mode again and flash the GApps package. You have three choices: the mini, the complete version, and then there will be a full version. There are three packs. The mini one is the one I'm using here because it's small and it doesn't have too much of Google stuff, only the stuff that we require. So again, go to recovery mode by pressing the volume up key repeatedly, and now we don't have to do a wipe, so we directly go to install option, and this time instead of the custom ROM we flash the GApps package. So just swipe to flash it and wait for the flash to complete. This one will be quick because it's just a small package, it's not the custom ROM. So yep, let's wait for it to complete. And now it's done, so we again reboot the system, and you can compare the boots, the first one and this one, if you wish, because you'll be able to see the difference between the first boot and this one. This one will also be a little bit longer than the usual and the simple boots, because this time also we have flashed some features, some applications onto our device, so it will be a little bit longer than the usual ones, but not as long as it was on the first time. So let's just wait for it to complete. And now it's done, and Android will upgrade. That means it will optimize all the applications that have been just installed on the device. So let's wait for it to optimize. This one, as I said, is the mini package, so it has less number of apps. If you have the full package, it will contain more apps, it will take a little bit longer. So here it's done, and it will finish the boot. And now we are presented with a lock screen. So let me turn down the brightness so it's more visible to you. Yep, so here it is. Here's your custom ROM. Let's check out some features, right? So let's first go to settings. Let's get rid of that. Now first we go to settings and about phone option. Here you can see it's Android 4.4.4 and it is Slimkat. So it's a slim custom ROM, and this is the Slimkat, that is based on KitKat. So here we have our Easter egg. It's Slimkat 4.4.4 rather than Android KitKat 4.4.4, and the rest of the thing is the same. So you can play around with it if you wish. And let's check out the other settings. So it has a bunch of special settings that are right here. So interface, it will contain the battery icon tweaks. You can change the icon, you can add percentage to it, you can remove it, and various different things. You can change the color and animation speed and all that stuff. Let me show you 2 or 3 icons. This one is the circle with percentage with it, and we can have normal icon, the KitKat icon with the percentage, and then it also has a dotted circle. It also comes with percentage option. For now let's keep it circle. Yep. So you can change the other things as well if you wish. And then the next thing is notification and quick settings. So here you can tweak the notification bar and the quick settings drawer. You can select different tiles, you can change the layout, you can add quick pull down, and you can change the transparency and all that stuff. So after that, let's see what we have. It's the status bar. So here you can change the clock and date, and you can add brightness control. Brightness control, when enabled, it can allow you to change the brightness just by sliding over the status bar. So that's it. Then we go to navigations. Here we have the global menu, that is the menu that you get when you hold the power key. So you can have different options in here. As right now you can see, these are the 4 options that are in the list. Then you can go to the add button and add different things, like let me add navigation bar, and now you can see the navigation bar option is also there. You can also change the sequences if you wish, and you can toggle the navigation bar with this option, as you can see here. So what else? Then you have the hardware buttons. This option will allow you to have different features to different keys, and if you enable it, you can change it the long press, normal, or double tap. After that, it's the navigation bar. As you have seen, the navigation bar I just showed you. You can change different things in this. You can change the buttons. You can add ring targets, ring that you get when you swipe up from the navigation bar. You can add different targets to it, and then you can add buttons if you wish. Like, it will have a limited choices, and you can choose from them. Otherwise, you can set a custom application or anything you wish. So that's all. Let me add something like menu. So now it's the menu button. Okay, I guess this thing doesn't have any menu, so yep, that's it. And then you can change the dimensions, the height and width of the navigation bar. If you want it a little bit slim, you can change the height. And then the other things, menu button visibility and all that stuff, landscape mode, you can check them out. And what else do we have next is the Slim Pi. You already know Pi controls, so Slimkat added its own Pi controls. Let's turn off the navigation bar first. It doesn't show up. Okay, it triggers from the left side. So here it is. Here's the navigation bar. As you can see, it has different options, and you can change it from where it pop-ups, whatever. And then you have some trigger options that you can set, like it triggers from the bottom, right, left, or anything. Then you have these shake activity. Means when you shake your device, it will toggle some activities. Like here I've selected the torch, so let's take it out. It's right now, as you can see. Let's shake it a little bit, and it's still off. I don't know why it's not working. Let's check out the torch application. If that's working, might be a problem with the torch application, maybe. Okay, it's working here. So I don't really know why it's not working right now. Let's go back to settings and check it out. What's the problem? So it was the shake events. Okay, I have set it on horizontal, so let's turn it to vertical shake, and let's have the torch option. Now let's try it, and as you can see, just by shaking the phone vertically, you can toggle the torch on and off. So yeah, as simple as that. So you can check out the other shake events, like back and forth, horizontally, vertically, and you can disable apps in which it will not work. And after that, you have the real dark slim. It will give a theme that's pitch black, I can say. It will change the theme of Play Store, Hangouts, and all that stuff. And after that, you have the Slim Center. It will require root permission, and then the OD updates are now included in the About Phone option. Other than that, you can check the Slim Center. It gives about the features about Slim ROM and all that stuff, their website, their donation links. And then here's the OD updater that I was talking about. I don't have a connection right now, so I'll not be able to show you, but it's the latest one. I'll update the links on the website. After that, you have the advanced option. It will give you super user and all that stuff. Then you have the developer options. They are turned on automatically. You can check them out. I already know what developer options are, right? So let's check out the phone application. This is the KitKat phone application. As you can see, the dialer pad here and the other things. So what else do we have? Hangouts. Hangouts is the thing that comes with the app. You already know what Hangouts is. You can add SMS support to it, and it's the simple one. And what else? Let's see. Camera. Yeah, it has the Slimkat version of the stock camera, so It has smart capture. I have not really tried that yet. And it has some other settings like you can change the picture quality. Right now it's 85%. If you wish, you can turn it up to 100%. Then it has different things like true view. It will give you the true view of the picture, and then power key, shutter, focus mode, and many things. So yep, that's with the camera, and I guess that's all for this custom ROM, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.